I'm Laura from Garden Sanity, and today I'm showing you how well Pinky Winky hydrangeas handle winter snow. I'm a gardener who believes strongly that our gardens can provide 4 seasons of interest. Pinky Winky hydrangeas add to the serene look of the winter season if you leave the dried flower heads on the stems. I do this every year. We recently had a heavy snowfall, very unusual for us in Zone 7 southern New Jersey, and a perfect excuse to see how well Pinky Winky holds up in heavy snow. The first 2 things I notice are the reddish stems definitely showing up more red against the snow, and the way the snow emphasizes the more open habit of each flower head. Pinky Winky flowers feature 2 different types of florets. The larger petals you see are actually sterile florets, while these tiny things are actually the fertile florets that pollinators love. The sterile florets, being larger and showy, draw in the pollinators. Nature is really cool. The snow definitely weighed the flowers down a bit, but Pinky Winky's stems are very strong, so I don't expect the stems to break. With the snow weighing the flowers down, it ends up spreading these shrubs out, almost making them look much larger than they really are. The snow mound on the right is a sea green juniper. More vertical shrubs can still be seen, like the orange rocket barberry in the middle. And this large snow pile on the right is a king's gold mop cypress. Pinky Winky is a panicle type of hydrangea. Panicle hydrangeas are considered the most hardy of all the hydrangea species. Pinky Winky does all of its blooming on new wood, so even if it gets frozen down to the ground, come spring, it will shoot up new growth and all will be well. Pinky Winkies are hardy in zones 3 through 8 and sometimes zone 9. The flower heads stay on the shrubs all winter. While I've seen a few of the little lime hydrangea flower heads on the ground, there's no sign of any flower head loss on these Pinky Winky shrubs, and they're in an open space that gets a lot of wind. In fact, in the summer, Pinky Winky's strong stems never get weighed down by the large cone-shaped flower heads. We've had tropical storms and flooding rains, and these shrubs always remain upright. I think of Pinky Winky Hydrangea as a 4-season shrub. First, there's bright green new growth in the spring, followed by lime green buds turning into white blooms. You get beautiful white flowers, and as the summer continues, you get the pretty 2-toned pink and white flower heads, which then continue to transform into a rose color for the fall season. Finally, the dried flowers look so pretty in the winter landscape. There's no need for me to knock the snow off of these Pinky Winky flower heads like I did with my limelight hydrangea tree in the backyard. Once the snow is gone, these stems will bounce right back up. I hope you enjoyed this look at Pinky Winky hydrangeas in the snow. And until next time, happy gardening.